Constructor University Cup for scholarship in 2024 announced on CodeForces. So students who like to study abroad in Germany, this is a university, Constructor University in Germany, offer a scholarship, free scholarship. So how can you attend or get this scholarship, this free or full scholarship? So follow me in this video to know before we are going. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every important and useful videos we upload in the channel. Like the video if you like it and share it for others. Let's go. This Constructor University announced the scholarships through CodeForces. This is CodeForces. So let's go back. So here we have two phases. The first phase is the practice round. So you have to enter to practice the contests and the problems to solve through programming. So if you enter, you have to register before. You will find about 12 problems. Every problem you have to solve through some programming language like Python, C++, C#, Java, any language you are a professional in it. And then you will click on the problem. You will study the problem very well and know the inputs and the outputs, and then go to the submit code. And here you will when you submit so the contest closed now. If it's open, it will allow you to submit the code. Because it's closed, it's not allow you now. You can see your submission. This is the trials you have submit. You can see standing your rank on this tournament or this contest. So you are practicing solving these problems. After practicing these problems, you should prepare for that. These problems is not for one day. This is about 1 week. It takes about 10 days or 8 days to solve these problems. So you are learning and practicing solving these problems. And after practicing, you have the final the contest. It's about 4 hours. The contest is about 4 hours. So when you go here, here this is the final standing. The final standing of this cup 2024 to enter here. So prepare yourself very well through practicing, and then enter this one for length of 4 hours. This length for just 7 hours. 7 days, 1 week. But this for 4 hours, only 4 hours. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.